What a beauty, direct in off the last owner. It is fabulous. Audi A1 TFSI Sport 5-door. Finished with this beautiful Utopia blue metallic. The car's got around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. It is gorgeous, just 34,000 miles from new. 2015 on a 15 plate, a 2-owner car with 5 services. Full service history, 5 services. Even had the tooth belt changed in 2020, May 2020. Stunning car all the way around, great options of the vehicle, very rare spec, and what a colour. Let's take you all the way around. It's got rear parking sensors, all the loading area nice and clean, no damage on there, good size boot, nice and clean, split folding rear seats, all the toolkit there complete, compressor, no spare wheel on these. .4 engine, 123 brake horsepower, so a very lively little engine. All down the sides, bodywork's lovely and clean. Wheels all in good condition. This side of the vehicle came in, so none of the wheels have been refurbished by us. All down the sides, the bodywork, there's no major dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. It really has been a very, very well cherished example. And again, close up at the near side front wheel. As you can see, again in great condition. Very close up at the bodywork across the front. Again, no major damage or chips. Just the odd tiny stone chip which you would expect on a 2015 car, but nothing to show any significance at all. And this is why we did the full videos, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide, just an honest video of the vehicle and exactly what it is. So again, the offside front wheel, very nice, all the bodywork down the sides, and the final wheel. Rear driver's door trim, all the trim in beautiful condition, not been abused, beautiful upholstery, nice and clean, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Again, the driver's door trim itself, electric windows front to rear, electric mirrors, again the driver's seat, no damage on that. All very, very nice. Nice and clean. Again, the passenger door. All the dashboard and trims. No scuffs or scratches or dings anywhere on those. 34,010 is the miles out, so it's on 34,010. 2015 car. Incredibly low mileage. It's got the satellite navigation, nice big clear screen. Full menu, very easy to navigate all the way around. Bluetooth phone connection. Car details. Adjustable suspension, get it just right, efficiency, auto dynamic. Shows you in front of the dashboard as well what mode you're in. Great stereo system on the vehicle. Nice clear display as well. Radio CD player, SD card, all the menu again in front of you, nice and clear. Media input, air conditioning, the drive mode button for the suspension adjustable on there, 6-speed manual gearbox, cruise control speed limiter, leather multifunction steering wheel, various menus to show you on the dashboard to scroll through, voice activation,
navigation,
again just making it safer and easier by using the voice activation. So there we have it, our beautiful Audi A1 Sport TFSI with just 34,000 miles, 2-owner car, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange welcome, great finance available direct from ourselves, applied directly on the website, quick and easy. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct off the website, click and reserve, and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details of how that works. Remember, if you reserve this car online, come and collect and view, and you feel the car is not as described, refund your deposit, no questions asked. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.